This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Christina Pione. No HOA or condo fee. New roof, new deck, new sliding patio door, freshly painted, newer water heater 2021, Andersen Windows. Move-in ready. And Unit Townhouse West/attached garage. Open floor plan, 2-bedroom and full bath downstairs. Hardwood floors throughout. Granite kitchen countertops. Upstairs primary bedroom with 2 closets, full bath and double sinks vanity. Townhome in highly sought-after Western Branch. Conveniently located near to interstate, military installations, shopping, hardware stores, dining, recreation, medical facilities, municipal center and community college. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.